Oppo initially launched the Reno14 and Reno14 Pro in May, then in June they became available outside of China and a new member joined the family, the Reno14 F. Now Oppo is apparently getting ready to expand the lineup even more, with the Reno14 FS which got leaked. This model is slated to be an upgraded version of the Reno14 F, with more storage and memory. Oppo Reno14 FS come in tow color. It's said to come with the Snapdragon 6 Gen 4 SoC at the helm, paired with 12GB of RAM and 512GB of storage. On the back there's a triple camera system, with a 50MP main camera using Sony's IMX882 sensor, an 8MP ultrawide, and a 2MP macro camera. For selfies you get a 32MP snapper. In a hole punch in the 6.57-inch AMOLED screen with 120Hz refresh rate. The Reno14 FS has a 6000 mAh battery with support for 45W fast wired charging. It weighs 181 g. It will allegedly be priced at €450 in the Eurozone. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.